and foodies of all ages, please welcome the Jammin chefs.
Hey. Uh-oh. Yeah! About to go ahead and serve it up. Start tasting. Just like the pastries. We got the little one with the dress. And the chef at home. She's looking from side to side. Word of mouth. Like turn around. Very nice. Then we dip it down. I know exactly what you're saying. Who will prevail? Oh! Check them out. About to say hi. We're about to go ahead and make something tasty, tasty to the sky. I know something that ain't no joke. I want to side of artichokes. And everybody knows how the story goes. Oh, happy birthday, yes. All right, look at my crowd gathering around. I like this a lot. Okay, here we go. Watch this. What's your name? Michelle. All right, Michelle, can I ask you one question? Are you ready? Perfect, here we go. You have to tell me what is your favorite food. I'm talking about you would eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner if you wanted to. Mickey Waffles! Woo! That's good! Mickey Waffles are delicious. My master chef, how we doing? We're looking really good. Right over here, chef. All right, let's do it then. Yes. Woo! Come on and get it now. Yeah! Come and get it! Welcome to Disney California Adventure Food and Wine Festival! Yes! The question is, how you guys doing out there? Well, good. Well, let me introduce you to my crew. You see, we are the Jammin chefs. That's right, and we're here to serve up some fun for everyone. You see, I am executive chef Mac Aroni. That's right. I brought along my master chef Frank Beans, Sloppy Joe, and Rigatoni. Yes, and of course I brought my sous chefs all the way from culinary school. We got chili, pepper, and of course the one, the only, Chip and Dale! And you know why? Why? I said, you know why? Why? Because we're here to spice things up. Come on. That's my jam right there. Yeah! All my foodies in the house say yeah! Yeah! Say whoop, 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 whoop! Oh man, I'm having so much fun. Uh-oh. It's time to get cooking! Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay. See this real quick. Cook it up now. Delicious. What you got for me? What you got? Oh, okay. Sloppy Joe, I know you heard that. Come on. Yes! Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you see these three fantastic master chefs right here? They have their own individual dishes that they serve up. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please welcome Frank Beans! Come on. So good. Break it down. Rigatoni! Can you taste that? Sloppy Joe! You gotta turn it up. Hey! Okay, clap your hands. Now stomp your feet. Okay, clap your hands. Now stomp your feet. Yes, clap your hands. Stomp your feet. 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 Clap your hands. Whoa, hey, hey! Don't run in the kitchen. Don't run in the kitchen. Okay, time to rack it up, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, give it up for Frank Beans. Nice. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Rigatoni, now come on, guys. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, when you see the sticks fly in the air, say, woo! Here we go. One more time, here we go. Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, give it up for Frank Beans and Rigatoni. pepper, chip dill. Master chefs, you know what? I just looked in the oven at the menu, and we have a really tall order. I mean, super tall to the sky. And I'm gonna need some help. I'm gonna need some honorary sous chefs to help me out. So, eight little sous chefs. Chip dill, do you see this now? You have to raise your hand. Now stay right there. I will need for you to raise your hand. I'm gonna come back to you, okay? Come here. Do you guys see my little sous? See my little sous chef? See you over here. That's 2. Here. 3. All right. 4. Right here. All right, I got 4. Come over here. All right. So don't come up until I choose you. All right. Come here. You got to come out of that chair if you're gonna have to go ahead and cook with me. Come on now. Now 2. Right here. Boom. 3. Get over here with them boots. Yeah. Get boots. Come on. All right. Excellent. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's my little one? We're right over here. We're over here. No, 2. He's wandering around. He's like, where do I go? My name's Alexander. Where do I go? Thank you. Ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Executive Chef Mac Aroni's Kitchen! Watch this, it's really easy. You see, I am going to chop, then you are going to chop. Then everyone here in this fantastic crowd that is standing here before me can use your hands to chop along with us. You know what? Let's start off with 2 chops from the top. 1, 2, 3, hit it out! And now you chop. See, I'm gonna chop, then you will chop. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Just plain, don't do that. Just keep going. All right, 4 times, go. Hit it. I'll do it. Do it. Now, nice and soft. Nice and quiet. Nice and quiet. Oh, this is a good group right here. Look at that. All right. Now, a little bit louder. A little bit louder. Do what you can do at home. Nice and loud, guys. Yeah, great job. Give a round of applause for our honorary sous chefs. Now take a bow, sous chef. Everyone, take a bow. Take a bow. Yes, good job. Now I have 3 rules. Rule number 1, make sure you give your instruments all the way here. You see there in that pan? Put the instruments in the pan. Rule number 2, make sure you keep your stalls clean. And rule number 3, efficiency. So I need you to go back to your family and friends in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, they all ran back too. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, world-renowned 5-star Jammin chefs about to really make it sizzle. You know what, guys? What do you know? Let's serve it up. All right, you know what, guys? This is what we're gonna do. I need some. Who started the music? Did you start the music already? All right, guys. Hit it up. Hey! I'll break it down, y'all. Hey! Oh! What we gonna do? Come on. Hey! Watch this. Watch this. I got this. Watch this. Let's cook. Hit it. Okay, everyone, from here to over here, repeat after me. Say, step, step, come on. A little louder. Keep it going. Everyone over here, say, step-itty-doo-dah. Come on. Louder. Keep it going. Everyone over here, say, step-itty-doo-dah. Come on. Okay. Wait, hold on. Let's turn it up. Yeah! Okay! Bam! Bam! chicken right now. Hit it. I love it. Okay, I gotta go. Today's special. So please give it up for, whoa, when I got my breath and get a little bit of water. Perfect for chili, pepper, and Chip and Dale. And of course, the one and only Frank Beans, Sloppy Joe, and Rigatoni. And of course, the one and only executive chef, Mac Aroni! Thank you, please. If you clap a little louder and longer, that's good for me. Makes me feel good to my heart. Look at that! One more time! We are the Jammin' Chefs. Word. Word indeed. Yes, that was good. Remember that time when I I got you. Well, you do.
Thank you for sharing this special performance of the Jammin' Chefs. We hope you enjoy your visit here at the Disney California Adventure Food and Wine Festival.
Okay. All right. You know what? That was good. Remember that time when I was in the middle? I was like, I was out of breath. That was weird. Anyway, you know what? Are we ready to go? Let's do it. All right. Now it's time to get cooking in the kitchen. I know my staff is like, where's the chef missing? I said, you know what? Cooking some cornbread beans. It's gonna be a real nice, especially found the big.